If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rocking. They never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could block it. After the show, I count up in the miles. Tears fall from the lies despite 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't wanna live life. Now I'm happy on the in and outside. Can you make it?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, nigga. You know what the fuck going on? It's your boy YB1K, and we are back here again with another hair tutorial, bro. Alright? So in my past video, bro, I showed you guys how to get your hair like young boy shit, right? So I found a new way to get shit easily, like way faster. And it's only like one fucking step, bro. One thing only, bro. You want to need this shit right here, bro. This locking gel, Jamaican mango lime locking gel. This shit only costs $6, bro. $6 only, bro. You can get this shit, bro. Look, bro. Shit smell good too, bro. Boom. A brand new fucking sponge, bro. My bad. A brand new sponge, okay? A brand new sponge. So that's my old one, alright? So we don't even use that shit no more. But get you a brand new sponge, bro. Buy you a good sponge. My holes are really small, so my dreads will come out smaller, like skinnier, okay? So if you want skinnier dreads, use a skinnier or a smaller holes, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so grab you about a good amount, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, put it upon your hands. You got that shit in your hair look good, bro. You got that shit in your hair look good. You rub it in. And just use a sponge, bro. Grab your sponge and just go in a circular motion. Circular motion. For a good ass little minute. You know what I mean? Just keep doing that. For a good ass little minute. Then, boom. Boom. What? You thought I was lying, nigga? Come on now, bro. Look, bro. Look. Come on now, bro. See that? That didn't even take you 5 minutes, bro. That didn't even take you 5 minutes. So, wake up. When you wake up in the morning, bro, grab you one of these. Put it in your hand, nigga. Do the same thing. Do the same thing, bro. And your shit gonna look right too, bro. Like, it took me about like 5 tries, about 4 tries to get my shit like the way I want it. First, I had to use the towel method. Got my hair too fucking dry, so I stopped using that. Then I went and did the sponge method. I didn't have enough patience for the sponge method. So I was like, bro, the sponge method is not working for me. So I went back on YouTube, search out how to do that shit. And then I went to some good videos and they was like, use this mango lime. So I was like, alright, should I give it a try? And my shit came out good, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. My shit came out good. So, yeah, bro, this, and this mango lime, Jamaican lime shit, bro. Just use that, bro. Use this every day. When you wake up in the morning, before you go to school, do this shit. Just do a quick session in. Bro. Use this. This is going to help you. If you want to get semi-freeform dreads, bro, this is the key. This is the key, bro. So, sponge, mango lime, Jamaican mango lime, locking gel. Use that. Both items came up to like $10, no, $12, which gonna last you about a good month or 2. Yeah, get you one of that. Put it in your hand, rub it into your hair. Grab your sponge, sponge it all up. Sponge it all up, bro. And make sure that you always get like your shit, your hair cut. Not like cut your hair, but like make sure you get faded, okay? Don't let your hair grow like, say like right here. If you let your hair grow in, it shit gonna look nasty, but you ain't gonna see no progress. So make sure that Make sure that your shit.
Bought a baby Gucci scrollers. Switch it up and I went global. Can't play around, I had to grow up. Check out my neck, hell of a glow up. These niggas capping, that shit blow up. My dog